diving into what makes this city a magnet for home buyers and dreamers alike with Tanvi Gupta, the director of Zen Realty, who's building right at the heart of it. So Tanvi, last time we spoke about peaceful living, and while the idea of peaceful living is so powerful, it's also shaped by where we live. So speaking of locations, why do you think Pune is such an exciting market right now?
So the real estate market in Pune is booming. Just the other day I read that property registrations in Pune have gone up by 16% compared to the previous year. And I would attribute this to the rapid infrastructure growth and the sheer potential this city holds. So it definitely is a very exciting place to be in right now.
Okay. And what do you think makes Pune so attractive to people wanting to settle or invest?
So there are many reasons for this, I believe. I think the first one definitely is the booming job market. With the IT hubs and the manufacturing industries and everything being here, the job market is really booming. Secondly, I feel Pune as a city offers a great quality of life. It blends urban amenities with a lot of greenery. Third, I feel is that it offers you more value for money. Say living in a city like Mumbai or a Bangalore, the scope for potential is similar. Another reason I feel is the education hubs and the healthcare infrastructure here has the potential to attract families long term. And finally, I feel Pune is a culturally rich city that also offers modern conveniences.
Right.
That is why I feel that Pune is the place to be in right now.
So location is the defining factor in real estate, right? Why do you think that is?
So location is no doubt the most crucial part when you're looking for a home, and I think it's for multiple reasons. The first one being, I think location is permanent. Your infra, your design, I still feel can change, but location is permanent and that sets long-term value. Secondly, connectivity is what comes with location, and that ties into convenience as well as resale potential of a property. Thirdly, I feel that areas with planned infrastructure upgrades often see better quality of buyers and tenants and often higher appreciation. And lastly, I feel your lifestyle experiences like traffic, walkability, green spaces are all tied to location. And that is why I feel location is of paramount importance when you're looking for your new home.
I agree to what you said about connectivity, and that brings me to East Pune. Especially Keshav Nagar has become an area to watch out for. What makes this location so promising for Zen's next project?
So Keshav Nagar as a location has a lot of pros, a lot of advantages actually. The first one being its proximity to the IT hubs of Kharadi and Mundwa. I think that makes it an excellent location for working professionals. Secondly, infrastructure and civic development in the area is improving. So roads, bridges, social amenities, which makes it a very developing and a promising area to be in. Thirdly, the pricing in Keshav Nagar is more competitive compared to neighboring areas, and this offers better value for buyers, in my opinion. And lastly, the neighborhood is evolving from residential pockets to fully integrated townships. And I think Keshav Nagar is definitely an area to watch out for as it holds a lot of potential.
So now coming to neighborhood, right? How do you think the growth of IT hubs and new infrastructure is shaping the lifestyle and property value in East Pune?
That's a great question actually. So I think IT hubs in general attract a lot of working professionals, and this is proportionally linked to the housing demand, which significantly increases. Another thing I feel is emerging neighborhoods such as these hold long-term investment appeal, so it's quite lucrative from that point of view as well. I also feel that I think where IT hubs are is where lifestyle evolves. So when we talk about schools, cafes, gyms, they are all there where the IT hubs are, where the professionals are. Lastly, I feel emerging neighborhoods gain long-term investment appeal, which is great if you're a home buyer or an investor.
Right, that's actually quite insightful. And speaking of Keshav Nagar, how do you think the area or the neighborhood is going to evolve?
I think there is a lot of scope for growth and evolution in Keshav Nagar. I definitely see it growing into an integrated and fully sustainable neighborhood.
Right.
And I think the residential development here is going to drive community focused living. I also feel that there's going to be an appreciation in the property values here because of the demand from IT professionals. And I think most importantly, with the growth of green spaces and modern amenities and infrastructure, it's going to be the next place to be at, especially with the upcoming bridge connecting Kharadi and Keshav Nagar. I feel commute times and traffic will be a much better situation to deal with.
Right. So the bridge you mentioned, right? I've heard about that too. And could you tell us a little bit more about that? How do you think it will solve issues, or how will it benefit the neighborhood?
So the bridge has actually been under construction and it's about 90% complete. And once completed, it's going to alleviate the traffic congestion in Mundwa. Right now, the commute time involves several detours, which adds to minutes and kilometers of travel time. So the issue of this commute time is also going to be solved significantly. And finally, the bridge is going to provide the residents of Keshav Nagar and Manjri a direct access to Kharadi and other parts of central Pune. So all in all, it's a win-win, and once completed, the property prices are going to see an appreciation in and around Keshav Nagar.
That's really good to know.
Yeah. And once the bridge is completed, I think the residential properties in and around areas like Keshav Nagar are definitely going to see an appreciation.
And that's a good news for all of us,
Definitely.
right? So while East Pune is your current focus, I've also heard that you're expanding into the West Pune area with your Pimki project. So how does that pan out in terms of your vision?
So I think, as I mentioned earlier, Zen is not just a brand, it's a philosophy, and we do not want to restrict ourselves to one part of the city.
Right.
I think the long-term vision is to create such thoughtfully designed homes all over our city, and that is how sort of West Pune will pan out for us as well. Secondly, I feel we identify these emerging markets and ride the wave before it sort of peaks
Right.
in order to create better value for all our investors and for all our potential customers as well. It also highlights Zen's mission to set benchmarks for quality, design, community wherever we build. And it's also a form of portfolio diversification. I think we really want to meet varied buyer needs all across the city, catering to all segments of potential customers.
Right. Okay, wow, that's actually really good to hear. And we're all excited about the upcoming project announcement that you
In
have.
due course of time, good things take time.
I love how you've described Pune not just as a market, but as a living, breathing city growing with its people. Thank you so much for sharing your views.
My pleasure.